Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your phone is ready. Check Wi-Fi or cellular, battery, and that you're signed into the store account. Once done, open Google Play Store on Android or App Store on iOS and tap your profile icon. Make sure automatic updates are off if you want manual control. You do this so you can locate Chrome directly and see its update status. This avoids installing the wrong app or missing a pending update. Next, search for Google Chrome in the store or go to your library/My Apps section. You'll see either Update or Open. If Update appears, tap it. While it downloads, check the app details pane for the version number and the changelog to understand what's changing. You should monitor progress and avoid switching to heavy downloads. If on mobile data, confirm you want to proceed. This step ensures you install the correct, latest build with security fixes. After the update completes, open Chrome and navigate to Settings, then About Chrome to confirm the new version is installed. If features don't appear, restart the app or the device. That finalizes file replacements. If the update fails, clear the store cache, free storage space, or uninstall and reinstall Chrome as a controlled recovery step. One key tip: if reinstalling, sign back into Chrome to restore bookmarks and sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.